Caissa the Fair, the Queen, a blood chess piece. Place the queen behind a card on your side of the board. The queen is now protected, but may be moved by you. As she moves through rows, any card of the same color moves with her and is also protected. If the queen is moved, all of the protected community cards move as well. If removed, choose up to 2 cards protected by her and move to allies. So, on my last turn, I saw that this 10 had come out and I saw a perfect play to use with the queen. So I put her on my 11. So now it's my turn and I'm going to show you a good combo that you can use with the queen. So I'm going to take the 10 as my starting card. So I'm going to do -3 blue. I'm going to do 1, 2, 3. So her rule is as she moves, she takes the same cards and protect them, which means I have to take the -1. That's going to move with her. 6, the 8, and the 5 are now all protected and move with the queen. Now, having the queen on the opponent's side of the board without a protection is risky because if they remove her, sure, I get to choose 2 of them and take them, but the rest of the cards will then stay in the row that the queen was in. So that's why I took a faction, so that way I can move her again with my faction card. So I have to lose the 7. So 1, 2, 3, that's gonna go as well. We'll do the draw, and now I do my faction. So draw 1, but I'm gonna play Prince Dax, and he allows me 4 movements on blood chess pieces. So that means I could take the queen and all of these cards, 1, 2, 3, 4, back to my side. And that's how the queen functions. She will take all the cards of her same color and protect them as she passes through the rows.